Alright, I think we're rolling. What's going on YouTube? So today we're going to make a quick little video talking about a new camera that I got, and it's kind of new, not new because I've owned it once before and I've rented it. Long story short, I ended up getting it again, and we're going to be unboxing it, which is the Canon EOS R, probably by the title that you can see. But just a couple other little things. I plan on making an apartment/studio tour once I have everything all said and done. So as you can see in this corner behind me, I have a bookshelf which has books on it, my desk, and a little camera and coffee cart over here. So everything is a work in progress, so once we have everything finalized, I'll make that video. Other than that, for the first week of October, I'm going to be going to New York as part of a school trip, so really excited about doing that, to go see all the architecture and just document it and have a really good time. So other than that, let's go ahead and get into the video and unbox this camera. Alright everyone, so I'm jumping into this semi over-the-head rig at the moment. So as the box, you can see, you open it. I purchased this from Adorama. So B&H Photo and Adorama are two main companies that I purchased gear from, mainly because they offer 2-day shipping and kind of hassle-free and really great customer service. So, but Adorama specifically has this 1-year membership called VIP 360, which you can purchase separately, and that gives you 2-day shipping, a year-long kind of like drop and spill protection, and then they have really great customer service, and then also you get a 60-day return period. So if you end up trying something out for 60 days and then you end up not liking it, you can return it. So they have this tripod kit where you get a tripod kit for free with the EOS R body, and then also a memory card right here. So always handy to have extra memory cards in the case something happens, and this is 170 megabits per second. So as you can see clearly right here, I have the EOS R and the RF 105, and then a tripod over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull those out real quick, and then we'll get into it. Okay, so jumping straight into it, we have the EOS R box right here and the 24-105. I did not purchase this as a kit just because I wanted to have two separate boxes for two separate things. So eventually, if I ended up deciding to sell this, I can. But at the moment, I plan on using this for kind of everything that's not professional. So walk around, trips, other things that don't require kind of like a low f2.8 aperture, and then I plan on getting the 24-70 f2.8 once that comes out. So be on the lookout for that. But anyways, here is what you will get if you order the R by itself and the 24-105. So I have purchased this before, so it's kind of like straight forward. So you have the manual, you have I think it's a USB-C cord right here, the charger, the LPE6N battery, and then you have the body and camera strap. So pretty straightforward, nothing much else that you could ask for. I wish Sony and other companies have different packaging, like the S1 has a really nice kind of like this like Japanese style packaging where it's kind of like the whole experience. But this is, you get the camera, and that's pretty much it. So that is the body right there, and the camera strap, which I have a big design, so I'm not going to be worried about that, and we'll go ahead and put that aside. Alright, now jumping into the 24-105 RF. This is what you will get if you order the lens by itself, and we're going to go ahead and open that. So Canon USA warranty card, as always. Then you have the bag. These bags are always nice, but you never use them. So then let's go ahead and go into the lens hood right here. There you have the lens. So there we have it. We have the RF 24-105 and the EOS R right here. So unboxing process is pretty simple, straightforward. Of course, you have 77mm front filter thread right here, the clicking aperture, and then 24 lock button, unlock it all the way to 105. And you have the rubber gasket right there. So pretty solid. This is actually a little bit heavier than what I remember, but that's okay. Then of course you have the EOS R, full frame sensor, the curtain grid that comes down, flip screen, so yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the back to the talking head. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the little sequences and kind of the overall videos. I try to make it quick, just because it's pretty straightforward. So yes, the EOS R and the 24 to 105. I'm super excited. Like I said, I'm going to New York the first week of October. So I plan on making some cinematic, low light, just kind of like overall fun stuff. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments below, and I'll try and answer them to the best of my ability. But like I said, the 24 to 105 is the lens that I plan on using for like overall use every now and then, and things that aren't necessarily paid, because I want to get the 24 to 70, and because that lens is kind of like the professional lens, that's what I plan on using that use for. And then I eventually want to get a Sigma 35 or another really sharp prime, and then eventually a Atomos Ninja 5, but those are all just like super far dreams. But right now I'm just focused on this and super excited to make stuff with it. So if you have any questions, like I said, leave those down in the comments below. And then I plan on making a future video of kind of the long backstory of how I ended up here. But that's another story for another day. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.